After washing it, look at this bullshit. See this, guys? Alright, so this is the temporary exhaust that I got done. And I say temporary because it's really fucking quiet. So hopefully we're gonna change it up. I'm a little disappointed. I thought it was gonna sound good, but I guess that's how it goes. Go ahead, Ronnie. Wait. Right, so it's a MagnaFlow 24-inch with a resonator side by side, almost side by side, and this is how it sounds. I'm gonna give it a little couple revs. That's too quiet. Yeah, that's too quiet for me, so just gonna see what's up. Probably cut off the resonator. Keep you updated. Alright, we finally got it cut. Just gonna leave it hanging because we want to hear how it sounds. Go on. I don't even think it's gonna sound good. See? It's the same. It's the same shit. Better? A little bit. I mean, it's better than how I had it. Now it has a little tone to it. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, I'm gonna take off that tip rating and just write it like that till I get a different setup. But y'all let me know in the comments. I think I'm gonna go for a Borla or I don't know. Y'all let me know. So they are catless headers, off-road white pipe and everything, all that good stuff. As y'all seen in the other videos, I couldn't record more because I did get busy and I had other family things to do. But yeah, I'm still struggling in finding a good exhaust setup. So probably next week, probably go to the shop and see what they recommend me. But now I guess I'm gonna cruise like this. I mean, it don't sound too bad. I did put a what is it called? One of those like a turn down pipe, so it wouldn't be bouncing off the differential in the back of my cab, and now it's gonna be like pointing down the floor, right? So I mean, that worked a little bit. Now it rattles too now because I had to cut it off, so it's hitting against the cross member. And yeah, it's just a whole mess, but I mean, it is what it is, and you have to sacrifice things for performance, I guess. But yeah, here's a little, I don't know if y'all can hear it. Sounds good at wide open throttle. But you know, it sounded way better before with the flow effects. ¿Qué rollo? ¿Cómo andamos? Al Abrozón. Abrozón. And a truck, and my transmission's acting funny, so I think I'm fucked. I'm a little worried now. Hopefully I talked to the tuner. Hopefully it's a tuning problem, but I mean, that's what it is right now. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna have to talk to the tuner. Keeps on doing it, and fuck it. I mean, we'll see what it is. Hopefully it's a tuning problem. Hopefully, because I ain't gonna try to pay for another transmission. Alright guys, this board is full of problems. This thing just has a bunch of problems right now. Now I'm getting this stupid noise. I hear it. I have that. I got the tune problem or tranny problem. Headliner noise problem. The exhaust problem. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna have some different kind of content now. After washing it, look at this bullshit. Ford. Literally Ford. Look at this. There's literally water inside my fucking cabin. Literally. A shit ton of water. This literally has to be like the worst fucking day for this truck. We had that noise. We had the noise in the motor.